I hope you enjoyed it and feel free to try it out. As for a recipe, you can just make it up simply. You can create your own noodle, your own version, and just add banana peels. You can use it as a simple replacement of banana shoot using banana peels, which is a lot more cheaper and more accessible as well, of course. Yeah, taste-wise a little bit different, but it's pretty okay. But since I'm a very kind person, I'm going to leave you some notes in the descriptions, like what ingredients we were using, so you can follow that or you can just make up your own. And yes, you heard right, so not me, we. So this time I had the chance to actually work with someone. This time I work with my partner. She is very good in cooking, so I could just focusing only on the filmmaking rather than me running around and trying to cook and also film. It's quite hectic. And also, let's have a peek behind the scene in terms of the bananas. Ooh.
Recording. Too high.
I think you would ideally... What's that?
I don't know.
Anyway, next up is going to be the potato curry and banana peels. So if you are curious how it's gonna turn out, make sure that you're going to follow up in a week later or subscribe so you will get the notification when a new video is up. And as usual, if you like my videos, just make sure that you share with others. Leave a comment down below what you think, or if you like the recipe or not, whatever, and a thumb up also helps. If you haven't watched any of the previous videos, I encourage you to do so for your benefit. And finally, have a good day, week, weekend, evening, morning, and love you all.